Hello everyone, I am Sakshi back again with a new video for my class 4 students mathematics unit 3 large numbers. So before going to large numbers, let's start with one digit number. So first part is smallest one digit number is what? 0. Greatest one digit number is 9. Smallest two digit number 10. Greatest two digit number is 99. Smallest three digit number 100. Greatest three digit number is equals to 999. Student, you must be seeing that there is a pattern going on. That if I talk about greatest one digit number, that means one digit, in one digit we have 1 9. In two digit we have 2 nines. In three digit number we have 3 times 9. So that means it is a series going on. If I want to ask you greatest 7 digit number, then it must be 7 times 9. So going further, what comes after 999? It will be 1000. Let's count the number of digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, we got smallest 4 digit number. Yes, 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. So what is the greatest 4 digit number? As I told you, there is a pattern going on. The 4 digit, in greatest 4 digit number, we must get 4 times 9. What comes after 9999? It will be 10,000. And this is the smallest 5 digit number. Dash is the greatest 5 digit number. Greatest 5 digit number, that means we have 5 times 9. If I want to know what is smallest 7 digit number, it will be 1 and then 6 zeros. As you can see, smallest 5 digit number mein we have 4 zeros after 1. That means if I have to write 7 digit smallest number, then I have to write 1 with 6 zeros. And greatest 7 digit number will be 7 times 9. So it is very much easy to study large numbers, and in this manner we can able to deal with a lot of large numbers. So let's start with the chapter, and it is very interesting and easy to do. So have a look. Place value chart. A place value chart shows the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. in a number. It is divided into a number of periods. The ones period has 3 places, ones, tens, hundred, and the other periods have 2 places in them. Let's start with a number, that how we can place this number in these periods. Before doing that, I'll put some commas in it. As you can see that ones period has 3 places with it. So I'll put a comma before 3 digit. Then thousands period has 2 places in it. So I'll put a comma before 2 digit. Then lakhs period is also having 2 places. So I'll put a comma before 2 places. It is a very good method to write any number in figures also or in words also. Okay. So I'll place these values in the place value chart. How should I write it? I can write it here: ones, tens, hundred, thousand. It's 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. So it will be very easy to place them here. So it's 4 crores, 63 lakhs, 21,987. This place value chart helps, or the periods in it helps to read the numbers also. If I want to write this number in words, how should I write? It will be 4 crores, 63 lakhs, 21,987. So it is very much easier to write the number using place value chart in numeral form as well as in the word form. Okay. Exercise 3A, first question, write in the short form. Okay. 40,000, 2,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 2. You just have to compress them and write them in a short form. So before writing it, I would suggest you to write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and that's enough, I think, because it's. So let's start with the least number 2. So ones with 2, 90 goes with 10, and 600 after 100, and then 2000 below 1000, 40,000 will be 10,000, so it will be 4 here. So I hope it's good. Again 60,000, 4,000, so it goes in the same manner. 8, 2. We just have to take these digits with us, only the first digit of the number. 0, 4, 6. Don't forget to remember that these zeros must be in the order. No zeros at the ones. Tens should have 1 0. 100 should have 2 zeros in it, and thousands maybe have 3 zeros. In 10,000 we have 4 zeros. So it goes on in a very simple and good manner. Now write in the expanded form. It is just the opposite of the short form. You have to expand the number. So first write ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 here. So it's 10,000. That means it will be 60,000 plus 7 के बाद we have 3 digit, so it will be 7,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 2. Okay, then we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. So 7 lakhs. Or it matlab one more easier way I would tell you that 7, just write 7 here. How many digits are left behind it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 zeros. Plus 0 is there, just write 0. Plus 4. So after 4, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So write 3 zeros here. Then 2. 2 के बाद how many digits are there? 2. Then 90. Then 6. It is the easiest method to write the any kind of number in the expanded form. Let's go on further. Question number 3, write in figures. Student, figures means you have to write the thing in numbers. Okay, so 37,000. So first write your ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so it is 37,000. That means in the thousands period you have to write 37. 458. 458. So you will get your answer 37,458. As I told you that the ones period has 3 digits in it and the thousand period has 2 digits or 2 places with it. Okay, same again 49 lakh. So first write down the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and divide the periods. Ones period, so 49 lakh, that means in the lakh period you have to write 49. 53,000, so in the thousand period you have to write 53. 452. 452. So here we go, we get the answer 49 lakh 53,452. It is the best and easiest method to write any number in any of the thing in figures. Now to write in words is the same and easiest method. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it will be 98,000 and it goes with 1000 period. I will write 98,704. Okay, you won't get confused if you could write the periods above the number. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So that means we have 5 lakh with us. 5 lakh 43,000 200 and 10. Now next question is write the numbers with commas separating the period. As I have told you, every period consists of 2 except ones period. Ones period has 3 places, so starting with the ones I'll put a comma before 3 numbers. So first write down the number. So put a comma before 3 numbers first, because ones period has 3 places, and then thousands period has 2 places, so I put a comma before 2 numbers. It's good. 8, 9, 2, तो just remember 3 places से पहले and then 2 places से पहले you have to put the commas. तो it is the easiest question of the exercise. 3 places से पहले, फिर 2 places, then 2 places again. Next question. 2 places, then 2 places again. Next question. Write the consecutive numbers that come after. Consecutive means the number that comes after. It's very easy. You have learned about it in class 2, in class 3 as well. So 63,255. What comes after it? 63,256. And then we have 63,257. 63,258. Now 51,990. What comes after it? 51,991. 51,992. 51,993. Now the next question is write the predecessor or the number just before. That means what comes before this number, you just have to write it. So 53,000 से पहले what comes? Guys, I'll tell you a very easiest method. What it is? If you have zeros with you, just put 9 there. That means if you have 3 zeros, put 3 9s there. And the number just before the zeros, you just have to subtract 1 from it and you'll get the answer. It's very easy. Just in the same manner, you have 2 zeros here. So what you have to write? 2 9s with it. And 3. Just subtract 1 from the number and you got the answer. It's so simple. Now it is 1,87,531. It's so easy. You just have to change the last digit. That is 1 se pehle you got 0. It is so easy. Okay. Now next question is write the successor. That means the number just after it. So it is also the way to write it. 99. After 99 what comes? 15,100. So easy, na? 32,782. So what comes after it? 32,783. What comes after this? 55,547 ke baad we got 8. Now the next question is write the number between. It is the easiest one. You have 12,565 and it is 12,567. So that means 12,500 is same in both. So write 12,500. 60 is also same in both. 65 or 67 se beech mein 66. 48,634. 48,634 and 36. So it must be 35 here. Last question of the exercise. Continue the pattern. I'll tell you a trick behind it. 31,000, 31,000, 31,000. So it must be 31,000, 31,000. Okay. 500, 600, 700. So obviously 800, 900. Pattern. I'll tell you a trick behind it. 31,000, 31,000, 31,000. So it must be 31,000, 31,000. Okay. 500, 600, 700. So obviously 800, 900. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We got the answer. So easy, na? Now 85,000, 85,000, 85,000. I'll write 85,000 in both the blanks. Then I have 900, 900, 900. But you can see that it is 975, 950, 925. Yani I'm subtracting 50 at each number. Subtracting 50 or 25. It's 25, students. It's 25. Okay. Subtracting 25. So if I subtract 25 from here, so I got what? 900. If I'm subtracting 25 from here, then I got 875. So different patterns has different techniques with it. So just try to learn what numbers are telling you and just go on with it. Place values. You know that the position of a digit in a number gives it a place value. Let us put the digits of 52,679 in a place value chart. So I have just written ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 along with the digits. So how should I write it? 5 10,000s plus 2,000s plus 600s, 7 tens plus 9 ones. So 5 10,000s plus 2,000, 6,000, 600, 70 plus 9. So what will be the place value of 5 here? It will be 10,000. For 2 it will be 2,000. For 6 it will be 600 and for 7 it will be 70. For 9 it will be as it is on the ones place. So the place value of 9 remains as 9. Exercise 3B. Write the place values of the digits. So I'll write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10, 1000. Say. Place value of 3 will be tens. So that means 30. Place value of 8. 8 comes under 100, so it will be 800. What will be the place value of 7? It will be 1000. So 7,000. Again, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10 thousands. So place value of 5 is tens, so that means 50. 8 will be 1000, so 8000. And the place value of 0 remains as it is one digit smallest number. Second question, fill in 13,572, 3 is in the dash place. So I will again write these things because it helps me a lot. So 3 is in what place? It is in the thousands place. Next question is, in 6,581, the digit in the thousand place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So digit in the thousand place will be 6. And what is its place value? 6,000. The place value of 6 will be what? Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And the place value 1 will be 100. So it will be 100. Next question, write greater than, less than or equals to. So starting with the first digit 4 and 8. So what will be greater? 8 will be greater. Starting with the first digit in the second question, 5 remains same. 0, 7. Oh, I forgot one thing. It is a 5-digit number and it is a 4-digit number. So hopefully this will be greater. Next is 2, 7, 0, 1, 0. So it is equal. Now again, starting with the first digit. So 7 is greater. So this number will be greater. Coming to the next question. Write the smallest number and the largest number. So smallest number. Last question of the exercise and of the chapter as well. Make the greatest and the smallest number using all the given digits. So digits are given to us. We have to write greatest number and smallest number. So if I have to write greatest number, just go on with descending order. That means from greatest to smallest. The greatest number is 9. And then we have 7, 5, 3, 1. Smallest number is goes with the ascending order 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's great. But if we have a question including 0, the greatest number means there is no problem. Just go on with descending order 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. But if we have to write smallest number, what you have to do is you just have to write second smallest number first and then 0. Then smallest number then goes with ascending order. Because if I write 0 at the first place, then I got this, and this is a 4-digit number which I don't want in this question. So just write 0 at the second place only. Okay. I think you all got the questions very clearly. Do all the questions that I have been giving you through the pictures and show me as well. Okay.